Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add song on your Facebook profile like this. So if you want to have your favorite song pinned in your profile, Facebook profile like this is what you are going to do. So I'm going to just remove this first. Okay, so the song has been removed. So now let's start how you can add music to your Facebook profile. So after you open your Facebook profile, just tap on this edit profile options, and then you can scroll down, and here you can just click on this edit your about info. So in here you can just scroll down again until you find the music section. This one's right here. You can click on see all, and here these are the musics that I like. And if you want to add a new song, you can just click on this plus icons right here, and then just find the new songs that you want to add to your profile. For example, I'm going to add this one, this songs right here. Just click on the songs, and then you can just go back here, and now click on the three dots icon in here, and there will be this option pin to profile. So just tap on that option. Now the song has been pinned. You can see to go back to your profile to see the result. So as you guys can see here, the music now is added to my Facebook profile, and that's very easy. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.